JMGO, a prominent player in the world of projectors and audiovisual technology, has once again made a significant mark in the industry by unveiling its latest innovation, the JMGO Nano PTZ projector, in China. This cutting-edge device is developed to cater to the demands of modern consumers, offering a remarkable blend of features and capabilities. One of the most striking attributes of the JMGO Nano PTZ projector is its impressive brightness. With an astonishing 500 CV lumens, this projector ensures vivid and clear images, even in well-lit environments. Its ability to deliver 1080p content ensures that every detail is showcased in high definition, making it ideal for various applications such as home entertainment, business presentations, or educational purposes. The JMGO Nano PTZ projector is notable for its exceptional flexibility. It can be projected up or down by up to 127 degrees, allowing users to easily adjust the projection angle to suit their specific needs. Although it is primarily developed for indoor use, its versatility ensures that it can adapt to a range of indoor settings. This projector employs a laser light source, which not only guarantees superb image quality, but also offers real-time adjustment, enabling users to fine-tune the projection in real time. Furthermore, the 3-color LED within the projector has an estimated lifespan of an impressive 30,000 hours, ensuring longevity and reliability for users. Audiovisual enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the JMGO Nano PTZ projector is compatible with Dolby sound effects, promising an immersive and captivating audio experience. The automatic keystone correction feature ensures that the image is correctly aligned and distortion-free, even when projecting from unconventional angles. In addition to its stellar performance and image quality, the Nano PTZ projector boasts a host of enhancement features. It includes autofocus, which eliminates the need for manual focus adjustments, making setup a breeze. Intelligent eye protection and anti-blue light operation prioritize the well-being of users, reducing eye strain during prolonged viewing sessions. The operating system powering the JMGO Nano PTZ projector is Luna OS 6.0, providing a user-friendly and intuitive interface. With 32 gigs of storage, users have ample space to store their content and applications. This projector also supports HDR10 decoding, ensuring that it can display high dynamic range content with exceptional clarity and contrast. Wireless screencasting allows for easy and convenient connectivity with other devices. The sleek cream colorway and versatile mounting options make the JMGO Nano PTZ projector an aesthetically pleasing addition to any room. Whether used for entertainment, business, or educational purposes, its angular flexibility and adaptability make it a handy tool for various scenarios. With an original price tag of 2,199 yuan, which is approximately equivalent to $301, this projector represents a premium choice for those seeking top-notch projection quality and versatile features. However, to sweeten the deal and celebrate its launch, JMGO has introduced a limited-time offer. During this promotional period, the JMGO Nano PTZ projector is available for just 1,799 yuan, or approximately $246, making it even more accessible to a broader range of customers. In conclusion, the JMGO Nano PTZ projector is a remarkable addition to the world of projectors, boasting impressive brightness, superb image quality, and a range of user-friendly features. With its flexibility and compatibility, this projector is poised to meet the diverse needs of modern consumers, reaffirming JMGO's commitment to delivering cutting-edge audiovisual solutions. I think you liked this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.